Yeah, man. You know, just taking the 360 apart. You know what I'm saying? Got everything laying around here. You know, trying to fix the driver, but I think it's done. You know, I got shit everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So I got the whole toolbox out. Cords. You know, my specialty alcohol does it. You know what I'm saying? Try to clean it, but I think it's done, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got everything running around. Trying to get back on so I can play this and smash niggas' ass. And that's all I do is scoop niggas. You know what I'm saying? Got the little mob beat playing. You know what I mean? Y'all niggas don't know nothing about that. Heard that. Take it away. So I'm out.